Hey, future devs, are you thinking about starting your journey into software development, but wondering if the 2025 is the right time? Well, in this video, we will explore both the pros and cons of starting a career in development in 2025. We also will discuss the challenges you might face, and let's get started. Let's start with the good news. The diamond for developers is still going strong, and it shows no signs to slow down in 2025. And we have here a few reasons. First one, tech is everywhere, from healthcare and finance to entertainment and education. Every industry is looking for developers to create and maintain their systems. In 2025, companies are still dependent on tech to stay competitive. Second reason, remote work. Tech companies continue to embrace flexible working environments, meaning you can work with teams across the globe without leaving your home. This makes software development one of the most versatile careers out there. Let's talk about the tools and frameworks you'll be using. In 2025, software development is easier than ever, thanks to modern tools. But with all these improvements come new challenges. Low-code, no-code platforms. These platforms allow you to create apps without writing much code, which lowers the barrier to entry for new developers. It's easier than ever to start building apps, even with minimal experience. AI-powered development. Tools like GitHub Copilot, GPT, and another AI assistants will help you write better code faster, making the development process smoother and less time-consuming. But here's the downside. While tools have become more powerful, they also raised expectations. Today, developers are often expected to be professionals not only in writing code but managing entire workflows, integrations, and automation systems. As AI takes one or more of development work, the bar for developer skills is getting high. One of the biggest questions in 2025 is whether AI and automation will replace developers or change the way we work. Positives: AI can help developers write code faster, debug more effectively, and even automate testing and development. With AI being integrated into tools like machine learning, developers will be able to build more intelligent applications, opening up new fields of opportunities. Negatives: as AI takes over repetitive tasks like writing code or handling testing, there is growing fear that developers might face job displacement. In 2025, AI-driven tools will be more capable than ever at handling certain coding tasks, leaving developers to focus on more complex and creative problems. With the democratization of coding through low-code and no-code platforms and AI assistants, more people are entering in the software development field, meaning you might face greater competition for the same jobs. The bar is set higher, and standing out as a developer could be harder. So, after all this, is still worth getting into software development in 2025? Well, let's break it down. Yes, it's still worth it, but with a few important things. Pros: demand for developers will remain high. The tools available are better than ever, and software development is a creative and rewarding field. AI and automation may reduce some repetitive work, but they will also open up new, exciting opportunities in AI, data scientists, cons. However, the field is becoming more competitive and the expectations are rising. If you don't stay on the top of the latest trends, tools, and technologies, it could be harder to find a job or stand out in the marketplace. Plus, AI and automation may take over more of their routine tasks, which means you will need to constantly evolve and focus on the creative, problem-solving side of development to remain relevant. In 2025, Adaptability and continuous learning will be more important than ever. If you're ready to keep up with the pace of change and develop your skills, software development will still be excellent career choice. That's all for today. Do you think it's a good idea to start software development in 2025? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to anyone who thinking about getting started in tech. See you in the next video and remember, keep coding.